Hi everyone, my name is VM Rosal from UMS. Today I'll share the 3 Gen math concept and how these lessons will help me as a future teacher. One of the first lessons I learned is functions and relations. A function gives one output for every input, which help us understand how two things are connected. For example, in f of x equals 2x plus 3, if x is 4, the output becomes 11. At first, domain and range confused me, but practicing graph made it easier. This helps me as a future teacher because functions train me to analyze patterns in student performance. We also studied rational functions, which include restrictions. For example, in these functions, x can't be 3 because it makes the denominator 0. Graphing helped me see how the line approaches the asymptote but never touches it. Asymptotes were confusing at first, but visualizing the graph made everything clearer. As a teacher, these help me interpret ratios, compare results, and analyze class performance. We also learned about simple and compound interest, important skills for money management. It shows how money grows differently depending on the type of interest. As a future teacher, this helps me with budgeting savings and guiding students in financial literacy. These 3 lessons, functions, rational functions, and interest improve my analytical thinking as a future teacher. These skills help me interpret student data, plan strategies, and make informed classroom decisions. General mathematics taught me about understanding patterns and think logically, skills I use every day as a teacher.